Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to deactivate or disable Elementor Atomic Editor. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in page, and then you see Atomic Editor functionality, general style interaction. So we are going to deactivate it. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see Elementor, and then you see editor, and in editor you see settings. So click on it. So we are in setting, and then you see multiple options. Now you see Atomic Editor, so click on it. Now you see activate Atomic Editor feature. So we already activated. Now you see deactivate button, so click on it. So we are going to deactivate it, and then you see message, you are about to lose all content created with Atomic feature. Enable this option and then click on deactivate, and then you see message, you have deactivated the new editor. If you want, you can activate it again, so it's up to you. Now go to page and refresh the page. Now you see Atomic Editor deactivated. Now you see container. Now you see layout style advanced. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.